Welcome to Santa Fe, where history, art, and culture collide in a swirl of vibrant colors, rich traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. Nestled at the base of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, this city different is a place where the past meets the present, where centuries-old adobe buildings stand proud against a backdrop of modern galleries, and where every street corner whispers stories of old. Whether you're here for the art, the history, or just a good walk, Santa Fe is sure to enchant you. Today, we're setting off on a journey through some of the city's most iconic spots. So lace up your walking shoes, grab your camera, and let's dive into the heart of Santa Fe. First stop is the Georgia O'Keeffe Museum, where the spirit of the Southwest is captured in every brushstroke. Known as the mother of American modernism, Georgia O'Keeffe's work is as bold and unforgettable as the New Mexico landscapes that inspired her. Inside this museum, you'll find over 3,000 pieces, including paintings, sketches, and personal items that offer an intimate look into her life and creative process. From the hauntingly beautiful Black Place series to her iconic flowers that seem to bloom right off the canvas, O'Keeffe's work is a love letter to the raw beauty of the American Southwest. It's not just a museum. It's a journey into the soul of one of America's most iconic artists. Ready to see more of Santa Fe's artistic side? Then head over to the New Mexico Museum of Art. To get there, head east on Johnson Street, then south on Grant Avenue, before taking a left on West Palace Avenue. On your way there, check out the various galleries that line the street. The New Mexico Museum of Art is a cornerstone of Santa Fe's thriving art scene. This isn't just any museum. It's a sanctuary for creativity that dates back to 1917. The building itself is a masterpiece of Pueblo Revival architecture, with its adobe walls and vigas creating a seamless blend with the natural landscape. Inside, you'll discover a treasure trove of art that spans centuries, from traditional Native American pieces to contemporary works that push the boundaries of what art can be. The museum's collection is as diverse as New Mexico itself, reflecting the state's rich cultural tapestry. Whether you're an art aficionado or just someone who appreciates beauty, this museum is a feast for the eyes and the soul. After having your fill of the artsy side of Santa Fe, it's time to dive into the stories that shaped this incredible place at the Palace of Governors. It's located next to the New Mexico Museum of Art, so simply cross Lincoln Avenue to get there. The Palace of the Governors is a living testament to Santa Fe's rich and complex history. Built in 1610, this adobe structure has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, revolutions, and the ever-changing tides of history. Originally the seat of government for the Spanish colony, the palace now houses a museum that tells the story of New Mexico from its earliest days to the present. As you walk along the portal, you'll see Native American artisans selling handmade jewelry and crafts, a tradition that has continued here for generations. The Palace of the Governors isn't just a museum. It's a symbol of resilience, continuity, and the enduring spirit of the people of New Mexico. After reliving the past in the Palace of Governors, it's time to return to the present at the Santa Fe Plaza. It's a stone's throw away. Just cross West Palace Avenue to get there. The Santa Fe Plaza is the beating heart of this city, a place where history, culture, and community converge. For over 400 years, this square has been the center of life in Santa Fe. Once a trading post and military outpost, the plaza is now a bustling hub of activity, where you'll find everything from art markets to street performers. The surrounding buildings, with their thick adobe walls and wooden portals, have seen centuries of change, yet they remain timeless. At the plaza, history isn't just something that happened, it's something that's still happening. Take a moment to wander around, explore the shops, or just sit and people watch as the world goes by. After immersing in the local scene at the Santa Fe Plaza, it's time to head to a place of spiritual and architectural beauty, the Cathedral Basilica of St. Francis of Assisi. To get there, head southeast on Palace Avenue, then take a right on Cathedral Place. And here you are at the Cathedral Basilica of St. Francis of Assisi, a true masterpiece of Romanesque Revival architecture. Built between 1869 and 1886, this cathedral stands as a testament to the faith and dedication of Santa Fe's early residents. Its towering spires and intricate stone carvings are a sight to behold, but the real magic happens inside. Step through the heavy wooden doors and you're greeted by soaring arches, beautiful stained glass windows, and a serene atmosphere that invites contemplation. The statue of Kateri Tekakwitha, the first Native American saint, adds a touch of reverence to this already sacred space. It's a place where the past and present meet in a quiet embrace. From one sacred space to another, you're off to explore the Loretto Chapel, just a short walk away. Just continue heading south on Cathedral Place, then take a right on East Water Street before taking a left on Old Santa Fe Trail. This chapel may be small, but it's steeped in mystery and wonder. Loretto Chapel's claim to fame is its miraculous spiral staircase, a marvel of engineering that seems to defy the laws of physics. Built without any visible means of support, this staircase has been the subject of fascination and legend since it was constructed in the late 19th century. But the chapel itself is just as captivating, with its Gothic Revival architecture, beautiful stained glass windows, and a quiet, contemplative atmosphere. It's a place where you can feel the weight of history, the beauty of craftsmanship, and perhaps even a touch of the divine. Your journey through Santa Fe's sacred sites continues as we head to San Miguel Chapel, the oldest church in the United States. Just continue heading south on the Old Santa Fe Trail. The chapel is no more than 10 minutes away. San Miguel Chapel is a true relic of Santa Fe's colonial past. Built around 1610, this simple adobe church has stood the test of time, surviving revolutions, earthquakes, and the passage of centuries. Its thick adobe walls and humble bell tower speak of a time when faith was the cornerstone of life in Santa Fe. Inside, you'll find an altar screen dating back to the 18th century, as well as other artifacts that offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who worshipped here over the centuries. There's something profoundly moving about standing in a place where so much history has unfolded, a place where the past is still very much present. The final stop of this tour is just around the corner. The Vargas Street House, one of the oldest buildings in America. The house is right across San Miguel Chapel, so simply cross East Vargas Street to get there. It's a perfect example of early Spanish colonial architecture, with its thick adobe walls and low, flat roof. Over the centuries, the house has served many purposes, from a home to a shop, to a shelter during times of unrest. Today, it stands as a reminder of the resilience and ingenuity of Santa Fe's early settlers. It may be small, but it's a powerful link to the past. And that, folks, is Santa Fe, a city where every street, building, and plaza tells a story. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling. Stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.